Asking people why do they hate Jamaicans Part 2.
Why do you hate Jamaicans? Who said they hate Jamaicans?
Shit, I could probably be Jamaican.
Right, I'll probably mix
Blacker than from now.
Why do I hate Jamaicans?
Why do I hate Jamaicans? I don't hate Jamaicans, what? Who said I hate Jamaicans?
I don't hate Jamaicans. Who told you that? Hold on, let me read some of these comments.
Why do you hate Jamaicans? I do not hate Jamaicans.
I don't hate Jamaicans. Oh, please don't come into my life bringing negativity either, because I
don't hate Jamaicans, bro. What are you talking about?
I don't hate Jamaicans. I don't even know.
Why do you hate Jamaicans? Who the fuck said I hate Jamaicans? Nigga, I love everybody. I fucks with every race, everybody. You know what I'm saying? I don't be doing all that.